Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, veteran reggae singer Bobby Crystal has a message for the Prime Minister. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. Bobby Crystal has a message for the Prime Minister, and I'm going to let the king say what he's going to say. And right after that, for those who missed it, I will give the Andrew Holness speech regarding vaccines, all right? And this is what made the king say what he's going to say. So, Bobby Crystal, yes, my brother, take it away.
Andrew, I y'all don't want to tell about a social media, so them I go see and hear regardless. Andrew, after you done put so much fear in our people then with this COVID thing, you gone back and raise bus fear, taxi fear. Andrew, oh, you're so unfair. Me and one of them will always take a fear, when them a bash you, I say, country not easy to run. Do it, Prime Minister, but you overdo it now, brother. You know, not hard. You're too fucking wicked. See, they are bad with me because I'm not bad with. Let me tell you something. And next thing you're going to do, now use badness for the people, and that thing they're not going to work. It's like a trend thing going on. You know, say, about 2 years ago, or about over a year ago, we hear about the little issue with the little rasta. We can't go to school because now say people have license or something, and people can't come back to school, right? When you come back now and trim a little rasta girl, see? Under your regime, you ever look into it and know, say, this whole Rasta thing, ever go on under phone administration, about some anti this if you kill out Rasta, you know. Watch one of the brother, man one of the people them. Show love to phone the people them, brother. See? Me not disrespect you, you're my Prime Minister. But show some love, man, for the people them. Care for the people them. And no badness on this brother. See? One love.
In general, the vaccines appear to be very, very safe. For those who hold conspiracy theories and other concerns, today we seek to appeal to you, to say there is a public interest that you should pay attention to, as well as your own personal interest, and seek to balance the two and see which is more important. It is, in my opinion, more important that the country achieves herd immunity. It is in the achievement of herd immunity safely that we will be able to dispense with these non-clinical measures, which have had a devastating impact on our economy, and which are also used in many instances as a means to tear the society apart. What do I mean by this? Whenever we have to impose some form of a lockdown, whenever we have to impose restrictions on the right of movement, freedom of gathering, we see a growing pushback in the society against this. And the pushback would come in the form of the government doesn't care about the livelihood of poor people because we are closing down the parties and closing down the dances and shutting down businesses at a certain hour. And that conversation is carried right through the society without any form of acknowledgement that some of the very people who we are trying to protect, that they are dying. And the deaths are not just in a certain segment of the population, older, more vulnerable people. We are now seeing a trend of deaths in a younger segment of the population, which is now a cause for even greater concern. So, in managing the pandemic, yes, we pay attention to what the science says, but we also have to pay attention to the social science, if you want to put it that way.
All right. It's a very serious situation in Jamaica. And what I have to say is, Jamaica remind me of New York City. New York City reminds me of Jamaica, because I always call New York City the 15th parish anyway. And honestly, you don't want them people to kick off down there. Yo, why is everything being done to agitate the people of Jamaica? Yeah, I know the rest of the world, but that's not what we're talking right now. What the hell is going on? Yo, think outside of the box. I remember one man said, perhaps they want the people to kick off so they can deal with a martial law thing. And some people say the people them sell out the thing. All me know, if a number two in charge, a Chinese man, and you know, them sell out for China, that's what people say. I don't know what to say with that. I'm just trying to talk in parables. In other words, you do your own research, but right now, it looks like they want the people to kick off everything. What's the difference between 8 p.m. and 7 p.m.? It don't make sense. This thing look like it's all scripted. Seriously. I could be wrong, I could be right. But don't make them people kick off. It's something they're not gonna like. All right, people. Like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share. I am Daddy Reddss, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.